Hey, it's Andrew with a CarCam Central Quickie. Let's do a fast review about the Aukey DRA5.
The DRA5 is the first cheap dashcam I'm excited to recommend for its unique combination of features at $40. First off, the DRA5 has good 1080p video quality during the day, but even better is its night quality, which is amongst the best I've seen at 1080p. It also rotates to face any direction in your vehicle, unlike many, which can only look ahead. That can help you record any interactions between police officers and road ragers. If that's important to you, see my video on police dashcams. The DRA5 uses capacitors, not lithium-ion batteries, for better reliability, heat, and cold resistance. That's quite important, and you can pause to learn more. As well, its small size isn't easily noticed. That's good if you're worried about theft. Finally, it has a 2-year warranty with fast customer service. The DRA5 is a big upgrade to the Aukey DRA1 we previously recommended, and has a few upgrades, which includes a smaller size, better video quality, and error notifications.
The DRA5 was launched in January 2020. It's square with a 1.5-inch LCD on the back.
The small size isn't easily noticed, which is good if you're worried about theft or unlawful seizures. The DRA5 is the simplest dashcam you can buy. It has the bare basics of loop recording and auto starts when the ignition is turned on, but no other functionality like Wi-Fi, GPS, or a proper parking mode. It also has bad error notifications, which means it's hard to notice if your camera is not recording, as any failure messages, say from a damaged memory card, disappear quickly. Looking more closely at the video quality during the day, it falls behind nearly all my other picks, but this is good enough for me. If we compare it against my top budget pick, the $50 Rove A1, you can see it's not as sharp, but that's fine given the DRA5's lower price. At night, it does an excellent job. This is some of the best 1080p recorded videos I've seen. Against the more expensive camera with superior hardware, the DRA5 looks amazing. Here it is against the Rove A1. The DRA5 has better exposure and dynamic range. Versus the Aukey DRA1 it replaces, you could see it has a big jump in video quality. Overall, you'll be very happy.
This audio is recorded on the DRA5's microphone. The audio quality, like our other dashcam picks, isn't amazing, but it's good enough to pick up a conversation. So, to give you a more complete picture, let's talk about other dashcam picks.
The Rove A1 is a good cheap pick for us. It has better functionality and day quality, only lacking heat resistance as it uses lithium-ion batteries. You may wish to upgrade to a better camera, and I would recommend the $110 VIOFO A119 V3, which has much better video quality, parking mode, and error notifications. Here are some other competitors I found during my research and testing phase. Back to the review. Looking at the DRA5's accessories, it's a bit sparse, but includes everything you need but a microSD card. Unfortunately, you will get a combined power adapter and cable. Overall, the DRA5 is a great choice if you need a cheap, heat-resistant camera or to record interactions on the sides of your vehicle. With that, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.